Delivery today, let's go and get it. I told you we had an order coming. We'll get it open first, show you what's inside it, get it unloaded, then we'll get the container lifted off. There we go, 20-foot container, full of Auger Torque Attachments. Let's get it emptied. To get it unloaded, so we just go to reverse back up.
I've gone that way.
Oh, the hailstones are getting worse. Alright, the hailstones and the weather's getting worse, so we'll get this emptied, get the container lifted off. Alright, I'm going to make a start putting some of this inside because the hail's getting bad, and then Laura's going to come give us a hand, stick the rest in. Help has arrived. In all seriousness though, there's only experienced forklift operators in here. What's up?
I need my fork moved.
Just like that, container unloaded, empty container, last pallet. I'll get this put away and then I'll show you what was on it. Right, ran out of time yesterday to show you what was delivered in the container. So let's have a quick look this morning. This is going to be a little bit of me just showing you cardboard boxes, but let's take a look at what was delivered yesterday. I'll try and give you as good a tour as possible, but you can see we're running low on time, so I've just fired everything in here and it's taking up the majority of the warehouse. So, pallet loads of drive units, X1500 Auger Torques, X2500s, 3500 maxis, 4500 maxis, 8000 max. What else is back here? 300mm augers. They come boxed. Everything really comes boxed. It's not the greatest to show you, but drive units for everything from a 1-ton micro digger up to a 20-ton excavator in various sizes. A whole selection of augers in different diameters. That's pretty much us. All in all, that's the procedure for delivery of a container order. So if you have any questions, let me know, leave me a comment. If you want to know anything about what we order, why we order it this way, how it works, etc., please leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Cheers!